Dinoland. Da, 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 da. We're gonna get like sued. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma, if you're new, or if you're not new, welcome back. And welcome back to the Disney series. Today is our second day in the park. We are going to Animal Kingdom. We're about to head out and everything. We're super excited. We all have matching spring break shirts. The only time you'll ever catch us wearing matching shirts, I think. It'll be a fun day. We're gonna go to Dinosaur, ride Everest, ride Dinosaur again, probably watch the Nemo musical. So a lot of fun. Don't forget to subscribe here so you see every Disney video and every other video I post. I will be linking the Disney series playlist in one of these corners. Let's go to Animal Kingdom. We made it to Animal Kingdom. Ready to have a wild day. Woo! Roar. This is like Alina and Emma Park. We should just skip Animal Kingdom. Why did we get here so early? Yeah. This is like the nature. This is like, gonna go see our bestie. What's his name? I don't know. Auntie
I call
Ann?
him Boomy because that's the name of the anteater that's in this wildlife park in Tallahassee.
There she is. We just learned, not the official Isabella fun fact, but anteaters sleep for 15 hours a day. And
Their jaws don't open, their tongue just shoots out and eats up to 30,000 bugs a day.
we're on a mission to find the otters at the Otter Grotto. I hope they're out. I love otters. They're so cute.
Oh, hold it with hands.
I know.
They don't drift apart.
I'm thinking no. Hi. We're on our way to Everest.
I won't ever rest till I go on it.
She's got the jokes. There she is. We are wearing our matching shirts. And I think I'm the only one vibing with it. How do you?
Hannah's vibing.
Hannah is.
Me and Alina just have such a fear of being perceived.
Oh my god. We're on our way to Everest. Gotta finish our drinks first though. Okay, so Everest was closed. So we're going to Kilimanjaro. That's our next stop, and then we'll try again later. Ostriches knew I was here. Come on, where's the third one?
Where's the third one? It's gonna pop up there.
Oh god, here comes the other one. I hate birds. It was the worst nightmare. I think it's
coming through some cats.
pretty terrible that they run. That ostrich got way too close to me. My favorite part was when we stopped for like 10 minutes because it laid in the road. Mac and cheese, onion rings, and then it came with coleslaw. The end. So good.
Hi vlog. Welcome to my channel. We're trying to drink a lot of water right now because a lot of us are dehydrated. Not me. I drink the most amount of water out of anybody.
She also pees the most.
That's true. Maybe I'm overhydrated then if I'm peeing a lot.
If you were overhydrated, you'd be drowning. So you're good. You're probably okay.
Did you hear that, besties? I'm good. So next, me and Emma are gonna go to Dinosaur, and Bella and Hannah are gonna go to Flight of Passage because Emma gets sick on Flight of Passage. And then we're gonna do Dinosaur twice because it's the best ride. It's the best ride. Anyone else got anything to say? Hannah's got something to say, guys.
Hi vlog. Looking behind us, we have Everest. I don't know if you can see it right there. Everest. She's a cutie, she's a bestie. We're gonna go there next.
Just edit that in the part where we're going there next.
Be there or be square.
Hi vlog.
You like bloopers?
Bella.
Blooper reel.
I just want to say that I'm having a great time. I hope we get everything done in time before Bestie leaves, because I just would really like that to be a thing. Also, finding Nemo supremacy.
I love you.
Hi. Are you ready? Have you ever done this?
Oh no, what am I in for?
What?
I deserve whatever's coming. That's what it's called. Wait, you did the fish thing?
Not the fish thing.
No. Oh my god.
Guys, that was horrendous, and never do that to your friends.
Close the legs.
Anyways, unless you're Hannah,
Thank you for watching. See you at the next part. I don't know how to turn it off.
We just got in line for Dinosaur. The best ride? Yes. It says it's 30 minutes. We're timing it, so we're gonna find out. So we'll let you know.
What is that?
We have the real one.
I can't believe the only two suits are here in Chicago. We've seen them both.
I love suits. Besties.
Ready to catch that dino.
Hello there.
We go upside down, right? Best ride in Disney World. Well, best ride in Animal Kingdom.
It's not even a competition.
Check. I'll put in our ride photo right now. Aww. We're so cute. The line was exactly 30 minutes.
Like exactly 30
like on the dot. It's impressive. I was like, wow.
Good job, Disney, for being accurate, I guess.
For real. I feel like it's always like exact or like a lot shorter.
I find that they like purposely make it higher so
yeah.
they like file lightning lane, and that's how they make their money.
Oh, that's annoying.
But today, I guess they were being truthful. It was actually a 30-minute wait.
I love that dino. So we're gonna meet up with Hannah and no. We're gonna meet back up with Hannah and Bella. We're gonna go to Everest, probably.
I'm a paleontologist. That's who I am. That's who I am.
As to my fun fact. My angel. Ah, my love. We're ready to ride some dinosaur. Yeah.
We're going back to Dinosaur? It's time.
It is time. Actually saw the movie the first time recently.
Isn't it so good?
It was really good.
Have you, oh my god, have you seen the Jurassic World movies?
I haven't.
I really, okay, they're like camp, but the first one's good. And then they get like really bad. In the big blue world. I'm waiting for them to cast me.
Blue world. And all of them are waiting for me. Where's my dad? Too small. That'd be a pain to work. Another us.
If you could work at one attraction, what would you work at?
Probably Jungle Cruise.
Or Pirates. Pirates would be fun. Pirates would be fun. If you could work at one attraction, what would it be?
Kilimanjaro Safari. Probably Jungle Cruise or Tower of Terror.
Mine would be Tower of Terror or Haunted or Jungle Cruise.
I love how I still would be a Magic Kingdom girly.
Yeah, at your core, you're a Magic Kingdom girly. I'm a Hollywood Studios girly.
I'm a Hollywood Studios girly to the day I die.
My blue orbs are orbing.
I'm not part of the Blue Orbs Club.
And then there's me. Bella, they're stealing your fun facts.
Great whites can grow up to 22 feet long and weigh up to 6,000 pounds.
I love sharks. Why is this literally Broadway theater?
Guys, you could tell me that this is on Broadway and I would fully believe you. That's how good it is.
Yeah.
Dino.
D-I-N-O-S-A, you are a dinosaur.
Time for dinosaur, round 2. The only ride other than Guardians I would do twice. Actually, there's a lot of rides I would do twice.
There's a lot of rides I would do twice.
There's a lot of rides I would
twice.
just keep on going if I could.
I would do Space Mountain twice.
Oh, I would do Space Mountain 500 times.
I would do Rock and Roller Coaster multiple times.
Oh my god.
Bella did it like 3 or 4 times.
So sick that Rock and Roller Coaster is closed. Never forgiving them. Such a beautiful day out. Like, it's so nice. We're gonna go back to Alina and just chill out for the rest of the night. But that was our Animal Kingdom day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you had fun. I had fun. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'm Bits by Emma on Instagram. I post in real time there. I have a whole Disney highlight. If you would like to see the rest of the Disney series, I have playlists that are linked in one of these corners, and you should go and subscribe because 1, I do this every time I go to Disney, and 2, it's a fun time. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week for our Magic Kingdom vlog. Bye!